Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. I hope you all are doing well. As you would already be knowing that NPS Grade A is one of the most prestigious examinations in our country for which a huge number of aspirants apply. Now, if you are somebody who wants to understand the work-life balance, the leaves, the holidays regarding this NPS Grade A position, then this video is for you. But before we begin the video, if you are somebody who wants to understand the requirement, the approach, the strategy for the preparation of NPS Grade A and Grade B examination, then there is a link in the description. What you can do, you can click over that link and that link will give you access to our free courses. Fine, the free course, and with the help of this free course, you will be getting free of cost study material content also. Apart from that, this course will also give you an idea that how the actual complete course looks like. Fine, how EduTap contribute in your preparation journey. So please, after this video, you can go and check out that link. Fine, now let us talk about the NPS Grade A job profile and the different roles and responsibilities. If you talk about the roles and responsibility of NPA Grade A officer, then they are very much general in nature. When I say general, it basically means they are very much diversified in nature. You will be getting the opportunities for policy making. Fine, you will be getting the different type of roles related to the data analysis, the different type of, I would say, research and development, then the different type of supervisory roles also. फाइन मल्टीपल टाइप ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज यू वुड बी गेटिंग. ये तो बस एक सैंपल बता रहा हूं मैं आपको. दिस इज जस्ट आई वुड से वेरी मच बेसिक roles and responsibilities. You will be getting a lot of opportunities that will help you in your professional as well as the personal growth also. Coming to the second question, is NPS Grade A government job? The answer is no. When you will be becoming a NPS Grade A officer, you won't be categorized as a traditional central government employee. Fine, because if we talk about NPS, that comes under PFRDA, it's a statutory body. Fine, it's a regulatory body. So basically, the role is going to be basically very much autonomous in nature. So you can say that it is an autonomous job and not a central government job, not a traditional central government job. Fine, so that is the idea. Just like other type of regulatory bodies, like in SEBI, you have SEBI Grade A. In a similar manner, in PFRDA under NPS, you are going to become a NPS Grade A officer. Fine, so that is the idea. I hope it is clear to you. The next is regarding the postings. So the posting is going to be primarily in New Delhi. Apart from that, you would be getting transfers as well as the different kinds of other postings also. Fine, you will be getting a lot of transfers, not I would say a lot of transfers, but the transfers are going to be limited, but depending on the need, the transfer will be there. And whenever the transfer will be happen, it will be in big major cities only. Fine, it will be in big major cities only. The next thing is regarding the promotion. If you talk about the promotion, you can go to the chart and you can watch it over here that you will be joining as an assistant manager. After that, you will become manager, then the assistant general manager after 3 to 5 years, then the deputy general manager, then the GM, then CGM, then executive director, then whole time director, and the chairperson. Fine. So that is the idea. But these things depend on two factors. The first is the performance, that is on the basis of merit, and apart from that, the vacancies that are available. So both based on both these things, if your performance is good, then you will be able to get fit as a part of this vacancy. Fine, so gradually it happens. You will be getting the promotions with time. Now the next is regarding the leaves and holidays. If you talk about leaves and holidays, then let me tell you that Monday to Friday is going to be a working day, and every Saturday and Sunday is going to be a holiday. Fine. If you talk about the work timings, then work timings is going to be 9 to 5, and most of the time I would say your work life balance is going to be there as a part of this organization, because you won't be getting unnecessarily overburdened. Sometimes I could say that you might have to work extra hours depending on I would say depending on the workload in the organization, but most of the time it is going to be relaxed. You will be getting a good ample work life balance. Fine. The next thing is that high paying corporate job. Now what is this? Basically, let us say if you have joined as a NPS grade A officer, now you want to switch your job profile, you want to switch to a different career, and you want to join any kind of corporate. Fine, you want to join any kind of company. A few people do that also, which is not a wrong thing. Everybody has a different priority. But let me tell you that once you work in NPS, you would be getting different set of skills, a huge amount of knowledge, and last but not the least, most importantly, the experience that you will carry. Because of all these factors, when you will be joining any corporate or any company, let me tell you that you will be getting a high paying job. So do not worry that after joining NPS, my all the opportunities will get limited for this organization only. If at any point of time you want to switch your career, you can do that also. Last but not the least, the salary, which acts as a great source of motivation for many aspirants. So thing is that if you talk about salary, then my recommendation is that if you want to understand it in a detailed manner, we have a separate video on our playlist. So you can go to our YouTube channel, EduTap. Over there in our NPS playlist, you can watch the videos both for NPS Grade A as well as for NPS Grade B. Hardly 4 से 5 मिनट की video है. So you can watch it over there and you will get a good idea that what is going to be the salary. But यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा सा overview बता देता हूँ कि NPS Grade A में आपको एक basic salary मिलेगी. Fine, which will be around something 44,500, something like that. You can verify it from this video. I've given you the reference. Apart from that, you will be getting a lot of allowances also. Apart from that, you will be getting a lot of other perks and benefits also. And what is going to be your in-hand salary? Your in-hand salary is going to be somewhere around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh. So that is the idea. I hope it is clear to you that what is the NPS Grade A job profile. And before we, I would say, exit this session, here is a small, I would say, announcement for you that we have also launched NPS Grade A and Grade B courses. So you can just go to our website like this. In the examination, you can check out for NPS. So here we have the NPS over here, and you can click, and what you will be getting as a part of this course, you will be getting the video lectures, you will be getting the live classes. Fine, you will be getting the study notes, test series, doubts solving, all such type of things. Fine, so the concepts note will be available, then the chapter wide test will be there, then the full lead tests are going to be there, summary sheets, which is basically the concise format of concept notes only, that will help you in revision also. And apart from that, let me also tell you that these summary sheets are very much aligned to our videos only. Whatever videos or the concept classes that we are going to provide you, once you watch that classes, you just have to revise these videos and the job is done. Fine, now look, let us look at the type of courses. So the first is NPS Grade A Phase 1 and Phase 2 test series. If you are interested to join test series, you can go for this one. Then we have test series for only Phase 2 also. Fine, so if you are somebody who is very confident with Phase 1, and those students can go for the test series of Phase 2 exclusively. Fine, after that there is a course for the additional subjects. Fine, the additional subjects, which are, I would say, those subjects which are not a part of the SEBI or the RBI type examinations, for example the data analysis, statistics. So you can go through the details and you can watch that what all these subjects include. Fine, apart from that, this is, I would say, the whole course for the both Phase 1 and Phase 2, where you will be getting the video, full video recorded course. You will be getting the concept classes, chapter wide test, concept notes, full net test will be there, then the weekly mentor talk is also going to be there. Fine, then apart from that, you can see here is the course exclusively for Phase 2, in case you are somebody who is comfortable with Phase 1. Phase 1 के सब्जेक्ट है वो आपको ऑलरेडी आते हैं, क्या पता बैंकिंग के स्टूडेंट हो, यू आर वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल with those subjects. So what you can do, you can focus on Phase 2 only. In this, we are going to provide the Phase 2 concept classes, chapter wise notes, concept notes, full length test, and the weekly mentor talk, where you can clear all your doubts. Fine, if you talk about the price, currently we have a discount of 70%. So you just have to go click on this buy now and enter this code, and you will be getting the access to this course at 3500 rupees only. Fine, so that is the idea. Now, apart from that, if I show you the mentors, so these are going to be the mentors. You can see, you can go to our website and check out all these details, and everything will be clear to you. And if you want to access them, you can purchase them. Fine. And if you're somebody who is doing self preparation also, that is also perfectly fine. If you think it is doable, it is manageable, you are able to do it in an optimum manner, then it is not a bad choice at all. Have faith in your preparation. Else, what you can do, if you want to join the course, you can take it as an option. Fine. So thank you so much and all the best, and keep working hard and maintain the consistency.